Do you like it? Say it. How does it taste?
Yojo, sweet moments start here.
Yojo, sweet moment starts here.
Something that I really like from here is their different toppings that can be added here, especially the red velvet. It's really, really soft. And their ice cream isn't super, super sweet. It just has the right amount of sweetness. So that's what makes it super delicious.
Yeah, and for me kasi, because it's our favorite kasi, like the yogurt ice cream. And I guess this one could be on the top.
Those sweet moments start here. It's different from the regular yogurts that you're tasting or that you could find here in the Philippine market. And I appreciate that it also includes the kcal or calories per serving. Thank you.
10 guys, try nyo na to. Sobrang sarap.
Yes, definitely would recommend 10 out of 10. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yojo, sweet moments start here.
Product is good, very fruity, very acidic, better than Yao Yao, better than any frozen yogurts I've ever tasted.
Branded na ganito, premium taste. Visit, number 1. Kita ko number 1 kagad. Sweet moments start.
Sweet Moment starts here. Order na kayo sa Yogel. Sweet Moment starts here.
Yes.
Yogel, Sweet Moment start here. Yogel, Sweet Moment start here.
Sobrang sarap nito guys, kaya bumili na kayo. As in, sobrang sarap nito talaga. Tapos ang dami nilang nilalagay na topping. Kaya bumili na kayo guys.
You can try this one, it's better than Yao Yao. It tastes good.
It's refreshing. Sweet moments starts here. It's Yoyo.
Hi guys, I discovered a new yogurt shop here in Valenzuela. So you must try it because it has great protein. It has yogurt, good probiotics, and most importantly, it has zero sugar. Grabe guys, napaka-healthy na, walang sugar, and it has added collagen para sa pagmumanda, ang skin, you know. It has also 30 grams of protein, grabe. Para sa mga gusto mag-workout, pwede nyo itong inumin before you go to the gym. It has 200 calories, so mababa lang yung pagkakataba. So really good for your health. And aside from that, it tastes so good. So creamy. So come and visit their shop here at Monhol sa Valenzuela. So malapit lang sa. So being a health conscious person, this is really good for me. So please try it guys. And mag-gusto kayo siya. Masarap na, healthy pa. So good, so yogel.
This is the best frozen yogurt I've ever tasted because it's fresh fruit, tastes really good, it's not too sweet, and it's not too soury, and I loved it. So come and try it.
Sweet moments start here.
This is amazing, you guys gotta try it, it's perfect, I believe it's perfect, it's just the right amount of topping, not overwhelming, it's fresh, the toppings are fresh, it's amazing, you guys gotta try it, it's really good.
Tastes good and it's good for your health. Try it. Punta po kayo dito sa Yogel. Sobrang sarap po. Hindi masyadong maasim yung yogurt. Tara po kayo dito. Tara na. Tara.
Very good. You know, the yogurt's not too starch and the topping is not too sweet and it tastes like Yao Yao.
It's good, but it's no more. It's really good.